guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a method on cleaning your intake and exhaust valves. Now, I've already cleaned 8 of the exhaust valves. I started off hoping that I could clean all my valves using a chemical method, which was unsuccessful. Now, this was tested using one of the most dirtiest valves that I had, which was from cylinder 4. This was the one with the caked on white carbon deposits. Now, I took that valve, I soaked it in carb cleaner for 24 hours. Now, I came back to check on it after 24 hours and it did nothing. The carbon was still completely there, didn't break it down at all. So I ended up moving to the mechanical method, which is the method I'm going to be showing you guys today. This is the quickest and easiest method to remove carbon off your valves. Now, what you're going to need is a drill, some wire brushes, some Scotch-Brite pads, and some safety equipment. Of course, you're going to need some masking tape as well to protect the valves. Now, I highly recommend getting a thicker glove to do this, because if you do slip, you end up really damaging your hand. Ask me how I know. Now, other safety equipment that I highly recommend is some goggles as well as a respirator, because when you're grinding this stuff down, it actually provides a lot of this carbon dust in the air, and it's not good for you. So I'm going to show you guys the method on how to clean the valves, and then I'm going to put on my respirator and clean the rest of the valves. So I've got, I think, 10 valves left to clean. So it's just all the intake valves and 2 of the exhaust valves. So let's get to work. Here's some footage of me soaking the valve I mentioned in carb cleaner, which didn't do anything. But I also show the condition of the more dirty valves. Alright, so one of the very bad valves here that were very caked on with dirt, I'm just going to soak this in some carb cleaner and just leave it in there for a while to see how well it does. It's already starting to change color, the carb cleaner, so I'm thinking it's going to break down this carbon very well. So I'm going to probably do that to this one as well as this one right here. Alright guys, so here's a couple valves. This one's already been cleaned. This one hasn't yet, as you can see on the bottom. I've actually just applied some oil on the cleaned valve just to protect it for the time being until I actually get it lapped. Now, this one is actually not so bad compared to the other ones, so I'm going to show you guys the method on this one. It should be a pretty quick and easy clean. So you want to start off by cleaning this top part here, the stem. And then we're going to wrap it up with some masking tape. Just like that. Now, 2 ways that we can clean this. One is by using the wire brush on the drill already. This method will require you to wear a glove, and then you're going to start grinding this away to clean. The other method is a easier and quicker method of grinding, but you use both. I use both to clean depending on how dirty it is. You put it in the chuck like so. Don't need it to be too tight. Spin it. So this way you can actually tell if the valve is straight or not. It's completely straight. Next, let's wipe up the valve a little bit, get rid of any of the oil deposits. Then what we're going to do is just take our wire brush, hold it right up to it. And it'll start cleaning it, as you can see. So, oh, see, it gets really dusty. You can totally smell it. So you would do this all the way around, and then it will clean the valve completely. As you can see already, it's already starting to clean up all that carbon off of this. So I'm going to put on my respirator, and I'm going to finish this up. There you go, guys. Valve is all completely cleaned. And that's good enough. And we're going to repeat the process to all the other valves. All right, there you go, guys. All the valves are all completely clean now. I actually was marking these off, thinking that these ones were bent, but they're actually not bent. It was just the tape was a little bit thick, so it created a little bit of a wobble when I was using it on the drill. They all actually rotate completely straight, so all that's left is just to lap these on the head. All right, guys, I'm done cleaning the valves. All that's left is just to lap them. That's a quick and easy way on how to clean the carbon off your valves. Anyways, guys, I hope this video helps you guys out. If you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share my videos. As always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.